Welcome back. In this video I'm just finishing off the deck, particularly the belt drive system. So just starting off here, putting a few of the guide wheels on. So there's two at the back, two at the front. You can see there's 4 holes, which allows me just to adjust the height if I need to. I think they're called scalping wheels, but yeah, it's just so that you don't dig into the lawn too hard where there's bumps. The main problem I'm having now is this belt drive system. That pulley there is a real problem when you adjust the height, and I really need it to be able to change angle like that as it lifts up and down. So I thought this one was going to beat me until I finally come up with this idea of creating a pivot, and what I did is join that onto the deck, as you can see there, and the other end, you'll see in a moment, I used the rose joint and I connected it to the end of that arm and then to the frame. So as it lifts up and down, the angle actually changes. So it's a bit hard to see. See a look under here is what I need that pulley to be level with the other pulleys when it's up, and I need it to be on an angle like that when the deck is down. So as I said, I put a rose joint, which you can see here. So it's just a male and female rose joint connected together, joined onto there, and worked out pretty well. And then I've put a little bracket underneath the frame, as you can see here, to mount the other end of the rose joint, so that holds it onto the frame, and as it goes up and down you'll see how the angle actually changes. So there it is there. Really happy with that. The next stage will be, I'm just waiting on a belt to arrive, see if it actually works, and then it will be just giving it a bit of a test, and once I'm happy with everything I'll pull it apart and paint it, and that'll be it then. So just going to take it for a quick drive here. I haven't done much video of it driving. It goes really well, so this will give you a bit of an idea anyway, and hopefully in the next video this will be finished, and we'll see if it cuts the lawn. So stay tuned.